Hey everyone and welcome to Saw Auto and Unboxing YouTube channel. Today I will unbox for you the ZTE Blade A72 smartphone, that was announced in June 2022. As for the primary specs, let's start with the display that renders a 6.75 inches IPS LCD panel with a 90 Hz refresh rate and 390 pixels density. Besides this, the front panel offers a 5-megapixel selfie camera. As for the primary camera module, the phone provides a triple rear camera including a 13-megapixel main, 2-megapixel macro, and a 2-megapixel depth lens. You can record 1080p videos at 30 frames per second from the back camera. For storage, the device is available in 3GB RAM with 64GB to 128GB internal storage variants alongside an SD card slot. The device runs on Android 11 OS. Furthermore, the ZTE Blade A72 smartphone is powered by a 28nm Unisoc South Carolina 9863A chipset with an IMG8322 GPU. Besides this, you get a side-mounted fingerprint scanner for security. Speaking of battery life, the phone is powered by a Li-ion 5000 Plus mAh battery with a 22.5-watt fast charging support. In terms of the color variant, you can pick from the space gray and sky blue option. I hope you will enjoy watching this unboxing video, and if you want to see more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I hope you will return for more unboxing videos. Have a great day. Bye.